A sharp collection of motorcycle luggage from Saddlemen, the FTB line features a bold yet sporty look with an array of vital features bundled with superb construction and class-leading value. Thanks to Saddlemen's universal mounting system, the FTB1000 Sport Sissy Bar bag is easily installed on just about any backseat of any motorcycle. Saddlemen's wide variety of rack and trunk mounted bags are easy to mount and highly regarded as the motorcycle luggage that sets the bar when it comes to quality and functionality. If you're in need of a new rack or trunk mounted bag, then the Saddlemen FTB1000 Sport Sissy Bar bag is for you. Included is a High Viz rain cover that can be quickly deployed to protect your belongings and improve your visibility on the road. The rain cover goes over your bag and cinches closed with an adjustable drawstring. And when the weather brightens up again, it can be easily hidden away. The main cargo compartment flap opens fully with solid tethered sides for easy loading. Once inside the bag, you'll notice the internal mesh storage compartments that secures cargo while keeping it visible. Integrated side mount beverage holders on the FTB1000 bag adjust to the bottle size and then fold down smooth when not in use. All the exterior zippers are equipped with Saddlemen's unique self-healing zipper system, which includes chrome sliders attached to large pull tabs, making it easy for quick loading and unloading of your gear. You will also notice the holes located in the end of each pull tab, allowing them to be used in conjunction with a travel lock for added security. Multiple mounting rings around the bag overcome unique mounting challenges. The adjustable mounting sleeve adapts to the shape and width of your bike's sissy bar. And the 4 fully adjustable, high-strength nylon webbing hold-down straps supplied allow you to mount the bag easily even if your rear rack does not have a sissy bar. Or it can be used with Saddlemen's Versa mount system to mount directly to a seat, which does not require a sissy bar or backrest. This semi-rigid luggage shell maintains its shape regardless of cargo load, yet it's lightweight to reduce the impact on your motorcycle. Rugged 1200 denier saddle tough fabric combined with matte finish accent panels and stylish black chrome emblems. Strong nylon meshing zipper teeth with chrome sliders equipped with large pull tabs allow for easy use with a gloved hand. The FTB1000 Sport Sissy Bar bag will keep your cargo safe and dry while improving the look of your cruiser. And you can pick one up for around that $97 mark. Saddlemen's FTB1000 Sport Sissy Bar bag offers a stylish design with exclusive features that you won't find anywhere else. If you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen luggage for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.